let's talk drought tolerant plants. I don't know about the rest of you, but Southwest Florida has been in a severe drought. We're getting very, very little, almost zero rain for months. So the plants are really suffering because it's also extremely hot outside. So I am going to show you my very favorite drought tolerant plants. Some are native, most of them are not, that will survive and look pretty throughout the summer with little to no rain and little to no irrigation. Let me show you. This is one of my very favorite Florida-friendly plants.